So we on the marketing side were actually able to take all of the data, aggregate it, and summarize it back to the user on a month-by-month scorecard. And then the other thing we're able to do with all of this information is segment again. And so what that looks like in practice. So this particular monthly summary email is actually pretty cool. So we've talked a little bit about personalization. This entire email is personalized to the user. We're telling you how many people in your area are fuel efficient, what your monthly fuel efficiency rating is, how many people in your area are more fuel efficient than you. So we've made it a little bit of a competition. How fast you're driving on average, how much time you're spending in the car. And then at the bottom are those 3 events that actually impact your fuel efficiency score. So our whole goal with this particular email is so that when you see May and when you see June, you can see what areas you've actually improved upon and where you can still stand to make some improvements. So this particular person has all 3 events occurring. Heartbreaking, still a problem for this person. So maybe when they get June, they've made some improvements to their driving.